Hey everybody, this is Chase Daigle with All Access Rentals. We're going to be going over the JLG 1255 reach fork. First off, we'll go over the 1255 part. This is a 12,000 pound machine weight capacity that can take the reach up to 55 feet high. All right, so this machine has all-wheel steer. It has crab steer and also front wheel steer. So you got 3 modes of steering to fit your needs on the job site that you got. Our machines also have the digital load chart in them as well, and also have a backup camera for your safety on the job sites. All Access also carries the 5,000 pound machine, which is the mini version of these reach forks. We also have the 6,000 pound, the 7,000 pound, the 8,000 pound, the 9,000 pound, and the 10,000 pound. And with the 10,000 pound, we also have the 1075, which will give you the extra reach for 75 feet up.